How's it going, people? Thought I'd do a quick review on the Emma mattress. This one's a king size one, and from sleeping on it, it's pretty tough. It's pretty firm, and if you're a side sleeper, it might cause you some discomfort or getting used to. My last one was kind of like a sprung mattress, so it had some give in it. So for those that sleep on their side, this one might take some getting used to. And it's funny because when I checked other people's reviews, no one really mentioned this. Everyone says about, how much of a good night's sleep they got. And I'm sure you would if you like foam mattresses. But this, I can't say it's bad. It's a very nice, stable mattress, but not the comfiest if you sleep on your side. So what I did is I contacted them and I told them about the problem, and they've sent me out a softer layer that goes inside the cover. So you're supposed to slip the softer cover in, not cover, you're supposed to slip the softer insert in, and it's supposed to ease up the pain if you sleep on your side. So we're going to try that now and I'll give my verdict on that. So this is the mattress as it is. It doesn't leave as much of an indentation as your conventional memory foam. It does a little bit, but nothing really deep. It is quite a firm mattress. So this is it here. And this is the king size one. You need to make sure you order the right size as well, because I now have a gap in between my bed. So I must have had an EU king or a queen. So there is a bit of a gap difference. I thought that this was a king size IKEA frame, but obviously maybe it was a little bit bigger. So this is the Emma King mattress. So I'm going to put the next part inside this mattress cover and see how much softer it actually makes it. Here's the box that they send you. It's pretty much the same size as the other Emma one. So I'm going to open that up and just see what it's all about. So here it is. It comes rolled up in exactly the same fashion as the Emma mattress itself. And it's a really nice soft foam. Probably not as deep as I thought it would be, but we'll see how it fares up once it's on. So this is what the inside of the current mattress looks like. As you can see, doesn't have much give at all when you put your hand on it. Hand doesn't sort of sink there. There's sort of an illusion actually. When the top cover is on here and you put your hand in, it kind of sinks there for, like a few seconds, like a normal memory foam would. But when you take that layer off and you put your hand in, even if I put some weight to it, doesn't stay there at all. So technically you're not really getting that memory foam. If that's what you were after, a memory foam mattress, then that's obviously not it. This is the composition of the side. So it's just various layers of foam, and this is what it looks like from the side with the little air pockets. Let's do another test. See, now that looks soft. As I'm putting my pressure down, you'd think, oh, that looks like a soft mattress, but when you lay on it, it's not that soft. So we're going to put the additional layer on and see how that goes. Right, so this new layer is now on. It's just added literally another layer of foam to the composition. So that's the new layer, it just sits on top of the old one like that. You just have to kind of try to get it straight. So let's do the softness test on this one. I'll put some weight down. And as you can see, that's more of that memory foam that most people are after. You can see my hand stay in there with an imprint, and it didn't do that at all on the original one. So if this is what you're after, it might be a good idea to just ask them from the start for the softer layer. Most people don't know that you can get these. You can get a softer one and you can get an even harder one. So, you know, if you do want that give, then this is. So the final verdict is that the comfort layer really does improve the Emma mattress, and I feel that this is how it should have been right from the start. Upon opening it for the first time, it should have had that from the very beginning. It actually feels like a mattress now and not like a piece of rock. I don't know, everyone's got their preferences, but I like a little bit of give due to sleeping on the side. So yeah, this video was just an overview to explain what that comfort layer is, what it entails, you know, how to install it. It's pretty simple, just unzip it, put it in, zip it back round, and it's done. I won't fully know what it's like until I get a good night's sleep on it, but I'm sure it'll be a lot more of an improvement to the original foam mattress as it was. So yeah, thanks for watching.